8:21, and we have Tesla up on board right now after hours earnings. Tesla's dropping. We just hit a low at 8:53. So now we're popping to 8:69, and this is all going on in the after hours market. We can see Tesla right here printing at 872, and you can also see it here in the level 2. So you can see the green bar right here as we approach that high. I don't have any headlines yet, but these were simply old highs before that Tesla is coming upon right now. And as that stock will have the resistance of that high of 875, that's exactly where the after hours high hit. Once again, it's our privilege to bring to you how the after hours, how to trade Tesla, how to know when to sell Tesla, knowing how to trade earnings, how to short the highs. When it drops, you make money, and it's live, and you can see the prints. They're very clear. And once again, you can see the 1 minute action bar right here in the after hours market. We'll return momentarily, but once again, it's an important step of how to profit, make lots of profits in the after hours market, live here and now. It's dropping right back to 867. I hit the short button up here at 875. Bam. Then you get out and you let it come up. And if it comes up or even goes higher, you can short it again. So you take the profits, you let it come up, you can see the prints, you can see the knee jerk reaction. That is the wick. That's when you short them, when they spike. We call it a flash wick in after hours. You see a wick down, but every time he shoots it up, what we're looking for is a new position right now to short Tesla higher. If he comes up, and that is the wall of resistance, so that would be our entry. We took our profit. You got to take the profit when they go down, just like they did. And when they go up, you got to protect your profit, but they have to have a wick. Once again, 869. That is a knee-jerk reaction. 867. And there is a red bar. That was attempted recovery in the price action. Printing 867 and a half. Look at that. How about that? The more it goes down, if you get short and Tesla drops in price and the price goes down, then you're making lots of money. And this is how you trade earnings in the after. Ooh, look at that. Down to 860. Oh boy, oh boy. Look at that. 859, 855. That thing is tanking. This is how you make money when you short that. Oh, yes, it is. It's here. It's dropping. It just hit a low of 855. Uh-oh, you got to know when to come out because, yep, got to take profits. So I'm telling them right now, go ahead and start, buy the cover. Yep, I seen you did half of it. Yep, you're out. All right, so that was the low. There was a short taken right here on the break in that bar, but you have to be quick. And it dropped like a rock. It dropped like a rock. It continues to drop. It's at 855 and dropping. There's still 854. Look at that baby drop. It's dropping to 853. It's at 853 and going lower. Here we go right now. We're right down here at that double bottom where the last bottom was. This is how you trade Tesla in the after hours. You get to see it live. It's here. It's with us. Now, how do you trade it? You're trading that volume. That volume is ripping. And when I say that volume's ripping, it's traded right now over 13 million shares as it has. And we keep making lower lows. We just made a lower low in that 1 minute bar. This is live in after hours. Do you need 100K to trade with? If you need a funded account, no capital deposit ever required. then call me. We'll get you trading live right here, right now. So here we go. We got a bottom, double bottom. We got a pop. There we are, 861. We'll come back later. Live after hours, how to short the high and buy back and knowing when to get out, how to take another short when it comes up and then it fails, it goes down, buy to cover out, and then you just let it run and look for another entry as it comes up, and that's what we're going to do. As we move on to other ones that we're doing, we want to get coverage in those. Once again, that's at Tesla. We hit that low. Yes, we did. Oh boy, 856.47 was that last low. And you get, every time you get a 1 minute and you start to get a wick, well, then that means that people are selling, and it's all after hours. It's all a reaction to the earnings report. All right, with the Tesla action, we're printing at 858. Like I said, we're still in that position. We're going to cover the IBM. We're going to cover Lamb Research. And we're going to cover how you can make it with us. And that, spread the news. Spread it now, because there it is. And there's the print. Oh, yes, it is. You can also see it right here. All of them in after hours. There's the headline print going off. We're approaching the 857 mark. Okay? So, that is buy the rumor, sell the news. Call us at 702-685-0772 and do it now.